Okay guys, so we're going to be making some Jeera chicken today. So here I have some chicken that I seasoned overnight. So what did I put in this? Well, I have some onion, I have garlic, I have green seasoning, I have spring onions, I have 1 teaspoon of Lawry's seasoned salt, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, I have some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoned blend. What else? Some garlic powder, some onion powder, some smoked paprika, and I also have some mild jerk seasoning as well. I think I also had put a few dashes of tamari, which is a gluten-free soy sauce in it. That's basically the seasoning that I have here for my chicken. Like I said, it was marinating for a while. But I want to do Jeera chicken. So now that I've decided that I'm going to do Jeera chicken with it, what I'm going to also add to this now is some ground coriander. So I'm going to add some ground coriander to this. Okay. And because we're doing Jeera chicken, I'm going to be adding some Jeera powder to this. Okay. Add some Jeera powder. You can't have Jeera chicken without Jeera powder, right? Another name for Jeera is cumin, actually. So this is roasted. This is what they call roasted Jeera. Okay. All right. So that should be good. And I'm going to do something that is not traditional. I'm going to add some carrots to mine as well. Because I'm all about trying to add vegetables to your food, you know. Instead of just having just the meat alone, let's see if we can incorporate some vegetables into our diet. So we're just going to mix this. So like I said, if you can marinate your meat, you know, the longer the better. So this actually has been marinating for a long while. Right? It helps to just bring out the extra flavor. Of course, if you have shadow bene, then it should be good to add that as well. I love shadow bene, but not all the time I can get it. That's the thing. I tried growing some in my garden, but it didn't really catch. So, all right. So now that everything is nicely mixed, let's move over to the next step. Okay. So now we're gonna add some coconut oil to our pot here. Okay. And I'm going to add some onion and some garlic to this and about 2 teaspoons of Jeera seeds. I'm adding it now before the oil becomes very hot because I kind of want a slow infusion of all these aromatics. So let's leave this here so it can fry up a bit. And all the aromatics would infuse that oil. You can put 2 teaspoons to 1 tablespoon of Jeera seeds. Okay, so now that we can smell the aromatics, I'm going to add in my chicken now. Now I'm just going to leave this to cook like this without adding any liquid for about 15 to 20 minutes. I will cover it, but I won't cover it just yet. I just want to get this high cooked a little bit, and then I will stir it and flip it over. Then I will cover it, and I'm gonna cook this chicken periodically for about 15 to 20 minutes before adding any liquid. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this now. And I'm just going to keep on checking it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so our chicken has been cooking now for the past 15 minutes. You can see how much water sprung from the chicken. I did not add any water to this as yet, or liquid rather. So what I'm going to do now is leave it uncovered to help burn off some of this liquid. And then I'll be adding chicken broth to it. I'm going to cook the chicken completely. I did add some extra Jeera powder to it as well. And of course, if you like things really spicy, you can add a hot pepper to this if you desire. Okay, so now that we have dried up most of our liquid, we're now going to add our actual liquid for cooking our chicken. So here I'm adding some chicken broth to this. And if I need to add more, I'll just add some water. So we're going to cover this back, and we're going to leave it to cook completely. So probably for another 25 to 30 minutes. Should cook it completely. I just added some extra water to the bowl that I had the seasoning in, so that I can use up all the seasoning that was in the bowl. All right, so we're going to bring this up to a boil. We're going to cover it and leave it to do its thing. I'm going to turn down the fire to low. So guys, I decided that I'll add in a little bit of this chicken stock cube. There's no chicken stock cube.